You know what is the most used four-lettered word? The most used four-lettered word is love, prem. And the need of everyone is to love and to be loved. The need for love. And emotional fulfillment is so strong that when you don't get through human beings, we want to relate to animals. When we don't even get it through animals, we want to relate to things. What is it all going to show? We all need that love. To be loved and to express that love is the need of the soul. We are all crying for that love. Why do we want things? Because we are crying for that love, looking for that fulfillment there. Why do we want to have power and control? It is nothing but the frustrated desire for love. Why do we want control? क्योंकि प्रेम नहीं मिल रहा ना किधर से, तो कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. Suck some juice from somewhere. People who get love are not power freaks. People who get love are not after things. And as my Guru Srila Radhanath Maharaj says, things are meant to be used and people are meant to be loved. Very much in this world of chaos today, we love things and we use people to get those things, you know. I must tell you, people in this world like us only when we meet up with their expectations. I'm a monk, right? At least people should like me or love me selflessly. No. Even in my life here, I've experienced as a monk, people always have expectations, and one little thing somewhere here and there, they pass such sly comments which can cause you so much hurt, even to monks. बाकी सब तो छोड़ दो भाई, बाहर तो क्या जिंदगी चल रहा है? You know, I'm telling you, people in this world can disappoint us because they only like us for not who we are. They like us and they make their relationship based on whether we fulfill their expectations. And if there is, I'm not saying all relationships are like that. If there is a relationship which is selfless and there is nothing like that stuff, then time takes one of the other away. And that person is left high and dry. Gaya mera person. My friend Gaur Krishna Prabhu, very closely known to me, so close to my heart. I remember so much affection he had for us. And one fine day I come from my overseas trip, and 3 days after my overseas, just arrived in Bombay, and I hear that we had an air crash in Nepal. 8 of our devotees were on that air crash and all 8 of them left. One was Gaur Krishna Prabhu, my most dear friend. Gaye wo, only about 31, 32 years old, gone in an air crash. Ladies and gentlemen, can we afford to wake up with a regret tomorrow? Can we afford to carry any grudges in our hearts? Can we afford to go around with what we have, some feelings for people in our heart, negative feelings? कल नहीं रहेंगे ना, उनको क्षमा मांगने का अवसर भी नहीं मिलेगा. And you will carry it all your life. People are thirsty, yearning for that love, down in their lives, depressed, negative, lonely. They need hope. People need hope, and love is the hope. Therefore, the most used four-lettered word is love. What should we do with it? Value it. Value that four-lettered word.